Supcase Unicorn Beetle, and this has been a very popular case for a lot of other iPhones, and for good reason. It's got a nice kind of minimalist design. It shows your iPhone through just on the back, and then it's got nice grip edges around the side, and the buttons are very easy to press. Let's go ahead and grab my iPhone 12 right here, and we'll go ahead and throw it right in, and we'll just go ahead and slap it right in. Just slides right in very nicely. Nice edging around here, which protects your phone very, very well. And then if we look in the back, you can see it does show the color through nicely, which is a good touch because a lot of cases they don't show that right through, and it's very, very nice protection, very clean. Although you do want to probably clean the inside of the case before you put it on. You can see when I slapped it in, a little bit of pieces of dust, maybe from my phone or it was from the case. I'm not too sure. We're just in there, so you can clean that off. But great protection for the back of my phone. You can see the camera edging it's got around here, so when you put your phone down, it's not gonna get wrecked or damaged on the lenses. And you can see the buttons on the side of it, they do protrude out just a little bit, so you've got nice grip on there, so it's easy to reach. And same with this side as well. Easy to access your mute on and off switch right on the side right there. And then we've got the 360 protection, so nice drop protection. You can see the corners, which are raised just a slight amount right there, so if you're dropping it, it's going to be great protection. Just an overall fantastic case, the Supcase Unicorn Beetle. Check out all the current colors, pricing in the links in the description box below.